Lesson 1. Level A2 to B1. Learn English through stories. Volume 1. The Woman Who Drove a Tractor to the South Pole. On December 14, 1911, Norwegian explorer Roald Amundsen and his team became the first people to reach the geographic South Pole. Since then, thousands of brave travelers have done the same, or at least they have tried. One of them is Manon Ossevoort, a woman of many talents who has always dreamt big. In 2014, the Dutch theater actress and adventurer made her most ambitious dream come true. She arrived at the South Pole on a tractor. It took her almost 10 years to make it happen, but she never gave up. The idea to go to the end of the world came to Manon's mind when she was 24 years old. She created an adventure story about a young girl who went there on a tractor, and she immediately decided to turn it into reality. The South Pole became the end of the world. She wanted to travel across 3 continents and collect other people's dreams and inspirational stories on the way. Her plan was to make a giant snowman and put small cards with all those dreams in his belly. In July 2005, she began her journey on Terschelling, an island in the north of the Netherlands. From there, she drove her 30-year-old tractor across Europe and Africa, all the way to the Cape of Good Hope. Unfortunately, that was where the expedition had to end. She arrived in South Africa too late, and missed the boat that she needed to get on to go to Antarctica. Ossevoort was extremely frustrated, but there was nothing she could do. The actress came back home and focused on other things. She wrote a book, became a motivational speaker, and had a baby. Her motto was "No dream is impossible." She never forgot about it and patiently waited for another chance to finish her journey. In 2014, she got a message from a big company that produced tractors. They wanted to sponsor her expedition, and the new mom agreed. She went to the South Pole again when her daughter was just 10 months old. This time, the journey started in Antarctica. The temperature was extremely low, and driving the tractor through ice and deep, soft snow was a real challenge. After 16 days, Manon finally made her impossible dream come true. On December 9th, a few minutes after she arrived at her destination, she was really emotional. "I'm very happy," she said. She couldn't stop smiling. She wanted to build the huge snowman there but changed her mind at the last minute. There was a big US research base at the pole, so she decided that it was not the best place. She spent a full day there before starting the long journey back to the edge of Antarctica. Luckily, driving the tractor was easier this time. 12 days later, Manon and her team returned to where they started, to Russia's Novo base on the Antarctic coast. There, she found the perfect spot for the snowman with the dreams of the world in its belly. The end of Lesson 1. This story is featured in this book, which includes 8 captivating stories in total. Each story comes with 16 engaging tasks designed to boost your vocabulary while sharpening your conversation and storytelling skills. Want to learn more? Check out the link in the description. Listen to the next story. Lesson 2. As loyal as an elephant. Level A2 to B1. Learn English through stories. Volume 1.